This is a complex question, but it is very simple. You don't need to panic about such a question. They said there are 50 pupils in the class. Out of this number, 110 speak French only, and 4/5 of the remainder speak both French and English. If the rest speak English only, find the number of pupils who speak, that is, both French and English, and B, English. So the total number of pupils in the class is 50. But out of the 50, 110 speak French only. Therefore, per the question, the first thing we are supposed to do here is to find the number of pupils who speak French only. When we get the number of people who speak French only, we can now get the remainder, because we will take the French only from the total, then we get the remainder. Now with the remainder, we will now look for 4/5 of the remainder. That is giving us people who speak both French and English. Then now that we know French only, both French and English, we can find English only. That is the basic approach. So now, taking our solution, let's look for those who speak only French. That is French only. So we take our solution. French only will be equal to 1/10 times the 50 pupils, which I need to reduce this 10 into itself 1, 10 into 55. So I have 1/1, which is the same as 1, times 5, which is 5 pupils. Therefore, we can now see or know that 5 pupils speak French only. Now, they said 4/5 of the remainder. It means we need to find remainder. So the remainder will now be the 50 pupils minus the 5 pupils, which is giving us 45 pupils. So this is the remainder. 5 pupils speak French only, and the remainder is 45. Now they said 4/5 of the remainder speak both French and English, and that is what we are looking for. Therefore, our A, which is both French and English, both French and English, will now be equal to 4/5 of the remainder, and the remainder is 45 pupils. 45 pupils. So at this stage, 5 into itself 1, 5 into 45, 9, which is now giving us 4 over 1 is 4 by 9 pupils, which is 36 pupils. So 36 pupils speak both French and English. So the B, only English. Only English will now be the 50 pupils. There were 50 pupils in the class, minus 5 speak French only, and 36 also speak both French and English. So 5 plus 36 is 41. So we now have 50 minus 41, which is giving us 9 pupils. So 9 pupils speak only English. I hope the understanding is clear. We first of all found those who speak French only. Then we got our remainder from those who speak the French only. So French only was 5. Out of the 50, if 5 speak French only, it is left with 45. Now those who speak both languages are 4/5 of the remainder. So 4/5 of the remainder gives us 36. And the rest speak English. So if 5 speak French only, 36 speak both French and English, then 9 of them will speak English only.